We are going to convert this image which is saved on my desktop. So as you can see, it is a colorful image. So we are going to convert it into a black and white image. All I will open CMD. Then I will install a package named OpenCV. So in order to install OpenCV, I will write pip install OpenCV dash Python. I will just hit enter now. It says requirement already satisfied. As you can see here, it is because I have already installed this package. Now the another package I need to install is pip install dash u numpy, sorry, numpy. I will hit enter. It again says requirement already satisfied because I have already installed these two packages. So these two packages are very important in order to convert our given images into black and white image. So I will just now close this CMD. Now I will open idle. Now in idle I will write import cv2 original image equals cv2 dot imread. Here I will provide the path of my image. My path is C. I will use double forward slashes because if I use just one forward slash, I will get an Unicode error. So in order to avoid Unicode error, I would have to use two forward slashes. I will write gray image equals cv2 dot cvt color original image comma cv2 dot color. It should be in capital. Color dash bgr2 gray dash black and white. Now I would have to write cv2 dot I'm show. Now for black and white image, I would give a name to my black and white image window. So I would just simply name it black and white, and I would assign a value here to it. It would be black and sorry, black and white image. cv2 dot I'm show original image. So it would show my original image as it is. I have to write original image. Last thing is cv2 dot I'm show gray image. Gray image. This is for the gray image that will be produced. Now I will close it. Simply cv2 dot wait key cv2 dot destroy all windows. So now I need to run it. Code is complete. Oh, I have written here small w. I need to write it as capital W. And now I would run it. There you go. It is our gray image. This is our original image. And this one is our black and white image. So I hope that you learned how to convert a given colored image into black and white image using Python. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you find this video quite useful, please like, share and subscribe.